this is Mishma. Today I'm back with another video. I'm bored. Where's my little sister? So bored.
Oh my goodness! It's me, my sister with my phone. It's me, Ayat, of course.
And I don't know. Actually, we have dollies and they're just from Peshawar. It's so long, right? And they're actually fairies on swings. We're gonna unbox them today.
What did you just say? Remember that part?
No, but we're gonna unbox them.
Our grandmother just ordered these toys.
Yeah, that was true. Please like and subscribe.
Yes!
Where are the dollies?
Yes.
We're searching for them. Oh, a dolly! Yay, this is the one. But my sister's. No. Where are the dollies? Did they run away? That's so weird. Where could they be? Where are the dollies? I see something. Oh, here they are. So tricky. Look at these. Wow, so cute.
Why is the music so scary?
Oh, hello. It's so funny. Oh, look at that. This ring. Okay, let's open that. I just hate the singing.
Me too.
Look at that. The dolly is swinging. It's so cute. Good job. Okay, stop singing. I hate it. Stop singing. Guys, I just hate her singing.
Me too. Did you like the video, guys?
If you didn't, say no in the comments below. Or you like it, do it the same.
Comment it.
Yeah. So, please like and subscribe, like I said in the first. Bye.
Bye!
Dot dot.